Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to clone voices on Descript. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in descript.com. After that, you just need to go of course and log into your profile or register to Descript if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the projects, quick recordings, AI speakers and templates, and we have the workspace. In the top right corner, on the other hand, we have, as you can see, your profile settings and the new project button, which is one of the main things on this app. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and clone voices on Descript. So first of all, open Descript and start a new project. You can either go a video or audio project, but let's go audio here. In your script, add a symbol, sorry, followed by the name of the speaker you want to create. For example, add John. Then click on the speaker name and under speaker settings, select Enable Speech Generator. Follow the prompt to record yourself reading a short script. Ensure the recording is all clear and free background noises from the best results. The script will process your voice sample and create a voice clone. This may take 2 to 24 hours. Once your voice clone is ready, you can use this generate speech in your project, write a script and assign it to your clone voice. This feature allows you to create realistic voiceovers without having to re-record your voice, making it perfect for video annotation, podcast intros, and more. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.